Hi guys, today is beach day. What's up, Rev?
Baho dito, bebe!
Let me put the mic on you.
We're going to the beach. Down the stairs we go. Is mommy gonna make it?
She's coming.
I remember when the first time you got that car. GMC. We're gonna make it to the car. Still waiting for mommy.
Okay, so we're gonna get angles while I open the door. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but
What?
I'm gonna do it. So that when I open it, let's go! Everybody ready? So may pagasot.
Nagkape na kayo?
Siya.
Oh, hindi mo malang binibigyan sa mga talaga.
Hindi, pinainom ko siya ng Capitol. Naka-record ka, ha? Huwag mo akong sabihan ng masama. Huwag mo akong binabackstab sa asawa ko.
Ha?
Kumusta, Brody? Masyado ka maliit dito, Nona. Grabe. Naka-wide kasi. Paalala ko kay Mrs. ko. Si Stephanie.
Hello po.
Ito fit talaga, pinaka-OG ko to talaga to.
Hello po.
Si Mrs. John Ray.
Ay,
Bernie John Ray. John Ray.
Ay, alam po.
I vlog. Dito na kami sa lighthouse. Liga dito. Hi. Wala tong tent na to. Go rich. Wala, kakaririn ko na to, tol.